Okay, made it inside. I got the diesel heater going. I'm just at a little car park along Lake Ontario. Just coming down here to read my book for a bit, chill out, and maybe heat up a little supper. That's about it. Not staying the night though. It's gonna be super windy, super cold. I'd be comfortable in the truck, but I'm more comfortable at home. But yeah, we'll hang out here for a while. All right, got all unpacked. I don't even know if you can see me, but anyways, yeah, all unpacked. Went to go make some hot chocolate. My water is frozen because it was in the back here. So, just got the water jug sitting in front of the diesel heater outlet. That should thaw it out in no time. Melt it anyways. Then I'll be able to make some hot chocolate. Alrighty. I think this water, I think we got enough water to make hot chocolate. Let's see here. Let's see here. Yes, the old water in front of the heater trick worked just fine. Got lots of water. Set that over here. Get the stove out. I like to use the right here. There we go. I like to use the alcohol stove because it's nice and quiet. I've got the butane stove and the propane adapter and everything else for cold weather, but it's loud. I don't like loud things. It's just a little Trangia knockoff stove I got off of Amazon. I think I paid 25 bucks for it. Fantastic little stove. I've had no complaints. I've seen some reviews online that don't like it as much, but I think those people are just being picky. Go. Lots of fuel because she's cold. Might take a while for it to warm up. Let's see here. Oh, she's going quicker than I thought. When it does warm up though, the flame will be all in these little holes here. Works much more efficient that way. Or so I'm told. What do I know? Oh, I almost forgot. Almost forgot my little ceramic bottom. So I don't burn anything in here. There we go. There we go. All right, it's up and running. So my diesel heater's been running for half an hour now, and it's currently, oh, what's this say here? 12, 14 degrees Celsius in here. And then outside, let's pull up the weather here. Outside, she's cold. She's very cold. I don't know if you can see how well you can see out there, but the wind's gusting 60 to 70 kilometers an hour. We're right on the water, so it ain't warm. Currently says -1, feels like -7 because of the wind chill. Good thing for hot chocolate. All right, water is ready. Turn it off. Water is ready. Put the fire out. Just like that. My mug ready. Now, hot. Oh, that's good. Man, that wind is really shaking this truck. I like it. There we go. Now, hot chocolate's done. Get back to reading my book for a bit. Then we'll make some supper. The book I'm into right now is it's called The Evening and the Morning by Ken Follett. It's a prequel to Pillars of the Earth. Fantastic book so far, in case you're wondering. Oh, and for any of you book nerds out there, my daughter got me these magnetic bookmarks for Christmas. They are fantastic. Just like that, and then it just clips over the page and it's stuck on there. And you never lose your bookmark. It's wonderful. Just in case you're wondering. All right, finished my hot chocolate, read for a while. It's getting dark and nasty out there, so I'm gonna make some supper. I'm very excited. Got some mustard. I made myself an adult Lunchable. Kinda. Got a pop to drink. Set that down here, and then I got a cheeseburger. I'm gonna heat up here to go with it. Sad Lunchable, I know, but it's okay. The cheeseburger's fantastic. Let's get some stuff out here. should do. It should do. Let's get this going again here. It's my sad looking burger. That in here, warm that up, and wait for the cheese. If we can't flip this bad boy. Oh yeah, heating up nicely. Put some cheese on there to get it melted. Well, warmed up anyways. I don't think it's gonna melt a whole lot without burning. We'll see. Alright. I imagine trying to put this on the bun one-handed here is a bad idea, but we're gonna try it anyways, because, you know, why not? I know my cheese isn't that melted, but I'm really hungry and I don't feel like waiting. That's my burger, so I can do whatever. Oh, that's hot. That's really hot. Oh, almost lost it. There we go. That on there. There. A little bit of mustard, and we're good to go. That's it. Easy peasy. Made these burgers last night. Use this stuff. It's new to me. It's not new, but it's new to me. It's the Frank's hot sauce seasoning. So it's powdered seasoning. Put the whole whack of that in there. These are delicious. And no, you're not gonna watch me eat. That was yummy. Word to the wise though, next time I don't think I'll use a sesame seed bun. Those little buggers get everywhere. I caught most of them on the plate here, but yeah, messy, messy. Oh, where'd my wipes go? Great little cleaning hack tip I stole from another YouTuber. Well, not really a YouTuber, just a dude posting random videos, but a full-time YouTuber, Van City Van Life, uses these baby wipes. Give everything a wipe down and then it comes out pretty clean. I like to give everything an extra wash when I do get home. But yeah, for a quick cleanup, really can't go wrong. And for wipes, I just buy these Huggies wipes at the dollar store. But they're the natural care ones, sensitive and fragrance free. It's basically just with the wipe and water. No chemicals. Doesn't leave a funny taste on your food or anything when you cook with them. There. That was dinner. Before I pack up though and head home, because the weather's kind of turning nasty, it's starting to sleet and stuff. Show you a couple of new additions to the back here. First things first, this fancy light. My dad got that for me for Christmas. I like it a lot. It's Wood's brand from was it Canadian Tire, I think. Lovely thing. He also got me these puck lights. And they just turn on there. Got one there, one down here, and then one over this way a bit. Great for lighting up in the middle of the night. Anyways, didn't hit the woods this time, but you can't always get out there. I'm hoping now that it's the new year, holidays are done, I can get out a little more often. Maybe put out some more videos more often. We'll see. Life happens. Anyways, till next time.